product. Ano? About the Cartesian product. So, Cartesian product of sets of two non-empty sets A and B denoted by A cross B, or you may call it as A times B, is a set of all ordered pairs XY such that X is in A and Y is in B. So we can write it in the notation with a given expression, no? With that given expression. So A cross B is a set of ordered pair XY such that X is in A and Y is in B. Okay. So let's try to give an example, no, so that we can understand more what is the function of that definition. So let's say if you have A is a set containing AB and B is a set containing 1, 2, 3, then A times B is defined by this given set. No? We have A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Notice that the first element of the ordered pair are the elements of set A. Ano? And the elements for the second ordered pair, no, the second element of the ordered pair are the elements of B. No? So you have 1, 2, and 3. So that's how we write the Cartesian product. Ano? So that's how we write the Cartesian product. Okay, notice, no? So if we have two elements for A and three elements for B, so the cross product should have, okay, 2 times 3, which is 6. So you must have 6 elements. So that is why here you have a set of ordered pairs with 6 elements. Okay. So you also have a set given the same set, then B times A is 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Okay. Plus, take note, no, that Cartesian product is not commutative. So A times B is not equal to B times A. Take note, no? A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Kung tanawin mo, ang elements is nag-una ang letters, kaya ang numbers. While the other one, nag-una ang numbers, kaya ang letters. So, dili pwede mabali. You know? So, if you have A times B, so ang una, elements ni A, ang sunod, elements ni B. So, that's how we write that in the ordered pair. Okay? So, dili pwede nimo ibali. Let's say, A times B, pero yung mong gisulat is 1A, 2A, 3A. So, kana, dili na siya pwede. That's, we could consider that one as wrong, no? Okay. Okay, why do we need to study this Cartesian product? Because, okay, we need them to our next lesson, no? Okay, but before that, there are some exercises here. So I will just leave these exercises to you, no? So just take a picture of this one and do this as your practice exercises. Ano? So parang self-practice ninyo. Okay? Okay, let's proceed now with a relation. By the way, about the presentation, no, you can download this one in your UStep. No, naani siya sa UStep. Okay, let's proceed now with the relation. Okay, class, about these concepts here, no, relation and functions. I will not really dig deeper into the concepts, no, about relation and functions, no, because you have another venue for that one, and I guess that will be discussed in your discrete mathematics. So I guess you have discrete math, I get next sem, I think. So I will just introduce to you the concept, no, We will just discuss what is in your book. Okay. So, what is a relation? Relation, parang kung ano, parang familiar na word, no? Usahay lami na word, pero usahay sakit. Sakit sa katong mga walay uyab. Oh no, I'm just kidding.
Agay.
Na may
Di tumayo.
relation. Naman daw kung relation nga dili man necessary uyab-uyab ng relation, di ba? Na may relation as a friend. Tama ba?
Walay label, sir.
Walay label.
Pinaasa, sir.
Inaasa. Okay, anyway. We will just define what is a relation. So, a relation from set X to set Y is a rule that assign each element of X of X at least one element of Y. So, kada X na ay pares na Y. At least na ay isa ka pares na Y. And it is also known as the set of ordered pairs. Okay? The set of ordered pairs. So, pag relation, pares gina ano, dili gina siya pwede tulo. Tama ba? May
Yes,
ordered
sir.
pairs man o pares gina siya. So wala talagang third party. Ba? Anyway, um where are we? Okay. A relation class, no? This is related to our under the previous section. Di ba in the previous section, the Cartesian product is a set of ordered pair that maps A to B. No? A relation is just a subset of that mapping. No? Parang if you have the cross product under ana, it's a relation. No? So the set of all ordered pairs is the cross product, while the relation is a set of ordered pair with having some rules, no? Having some rules, or just simply a subset of that cross product. Okay. So let us say, for example, we have this A, we have this set B. So we can say uh, R1 is a relation A to B. Why is it a relation? If you try to look at the first element of the ordered pair, all first element of the ordered pair are found in A, while the second element uh, of the ordered pair are found in B. So therefore, we could say that this is a relation from A to B. You know? Same also sa second relation, no? Tanan elements, so first or the first pair of the ordered pair, no? The first element of the ordered pair are found in A. And also the second element of all ordered pairs are found in B. So therefore, it's a relation from A to B. No? If na at least isa diya nga wala in either A or B, then we can say that it's not a relation from A to B. No? So R3 is also a relation. Now, since we talk about relation, so there are some parts of the relation, no? So we can say the set X, no? The first ordered pair, we call that as the domain of the relation. While the set Y, all possible values for Y, it's called the codomain. And the set of all Y in Y that is assigned to some values in X, no? For those some values in X, we call that as the range. So, parang you have The bigger set is the codomain, then part of the codomain is the range. Ito. Ayan. So let's say for example in this one, let me illustrate that one in the previous example, no. Okay, for these three relations, no, R1, R2, R3, A is the domain, no. A is the domain, while B is the codomain. Okay, A is the domain, and set B is the codomain. Now, how are we going to determine the range? Okay, range is the values of y in y for some values for that correspond to some values of x in x, no? Itong small x sa capital X. Okay. So elements, corresponding elements ni x sa katong bigger set na x. In our case, set A. Ano? So, we can say that the range of R1 is 1, 2, and 3. Kung tanaw na to ang y ni first relation, we have 1, 2, 3. So, di na natin ibalik si 1 ug 2. Ibalik naman sa no? So, we will just name it once. No? Si R2, iyang range is 2, 4, 1, and 5. Okay, you may uh, that may arrange in any order, no? Basta as long as you have those elements, 2, 4, 1, and 5. That is the range for the second relation. Now, for the third relation, we have 1, 3, and 4. So that would be our range. So atong range niya is 1, 3, and 4. So that is our range. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, Mr. Kabebe and Mr. Kraser is asking your permission to join your class po.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you,
Wala mo
sir.
gud sa nag-notify. Where are we? Sige, we are on the part of domain and range, no? Okay? So, for those who have just joined, anyway, I have recorded the video on this. I will just, na lang. I will just share this video later, no? In our, maybe in our Discord or in our G class. Okay. Okay, let's proceed now with another example of domain and range, no? So let us say if we have set A 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then B is 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25, and we have given these two sets of relation. So again, no, so all first elements we call them as our domain. So for this relation, our domain is A. Then the codomain is set B, no? Because those are the elements found on the second element of the ordered pairs. Now for the range is katong mga those values of y that correspond to every values of x. So for this case, for the first relation, our range is 1, 9, 4, and 25. Okay, you may write them in any order, no, but as long as you have those elements, 1, 9, 4, and 25. For the second relation, we have 1, 4, 9, and 16. Okay, so those are our range. Okay, do you have any questions about relation and domain and range, as well as the, what's this? Cartesian product. Any questions? Friend lang. Relation. Anyway. Sige. If there's none, let's proceed to functions now. Okay. I will not dig up some other concepts in relations now because we will leave that one later to your discrete math. So anyway, naman may discrete math next year. I guess next year or next sem. I don't know. No. So we will just leave uh, the detailed concepts on your discrete math. So what I am doing now is just I will just introduce to you the concepts. No. Okay. So let's proceed with functions. Okay, a function is from set x to set y is a rule that assigns to each x of x one and only one element of y. You know? So a mapping from x on y. So therefore, a function is also a relation. Take note, no? A function is also a relation. The only difference, what is distinct about function is that for every x, no, for every x, naa lang siya isa ka value nga y. Okay? For every x, isa lang dapat iyang ka value nga y. So dili pwede sa duha ka y na ay duha ka x. Sa isa ka y na ay duha ka x. Ano? So isa lang. So boys, no, para ang guys, para ang relation mag-function isa-isa lang, no? O isa lang ka pares. Tama ba? Anyway, ano no? O para mag-function daw isa lang daw dili daghan nun. So si x, the first element should only have correspond to one element in y. Si y pwede daghan pero si x dapat isa lang, no? Si first element sa ordered pair, isa lang iyang pares. So, let us say, for example, in this, which of the following is a relation? So, the first example, can we say that it is which of the following is a function? The first example, the first relation, could we say that the first relation R1 as a function? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
know,
ma'am.
sir.
No, kay ang B na ay duha ka pares. Si B
Yes,
kinay duha
sir.
ka pares, no?
1 ug 2.
1 ug 2. So therefore, dili siya function, no? So R1 is not a function. How about R2? Is
Yes, sir.
R2 function ba si R2? Or not a function?
Function, sir.
Function, sir.
Wala
Function.
nagbalik-balik nga element ng
Kung tanaw na to si A, no? Pila ka book pares ni A?
duha.
Duha. So duha man niyang pares, function siya
So,
dili,
dili. Dili.
no? Pati si D, duha gyapon niyang pares. Dapat isa lang gid ang pares. So, every first element, isa lang gid ang iyang pares.
Ay,
No?
sir, though, ang iyang number, sir, wala nagbalik-balik, sir.
Ang to. Ang dire, ang second number, pwede ra mo balik. Pero, ang first one, dapat dili siya mo balik. Let's say si A. Di balik si A, no? So naidwa ka pares si A. So therefore kana siya dili na siya function. No? Okay, sige.
Okay, sir.
Proceed ta sa third example, no?
Function,
Function
sir.
or not a
Ayan.
function? Okay,
Function,
it is a
sir.
function, no? Because every first element, isa lang iyang pares. Si A, iyang pares si 1 ra. Si B, iyang pares si 1 ra. Si C, iyang pares si 3. Si D, isa ra po iyang pares, no? Ang ikaduha nga number, ang ikaduha nga element, pwede daghan iyang pares, pero si first kuan, no? Si first, dapat isa ra iyang pares, no? Meaning ana, bahalag duha mo basta dili duha ka book mo, ba? Para mag sa tawagana, para mag-function na kuno ang relasyon. Pwede ra daw kuno nga duha mo, pero dili pwede nga duha mo. Duha imo. Tama ba?
Unfair.
Unfair. Oh, di ba kay magsugod man daw kuno na sa self ba? So dapat kung ikaw isa ra gyud imong pares. Bito, I'm just kidding, no. Pero no, that's the ano definition of function. Ang first element should only have one pair, no. Bahalang ang second element dagan pares, pero ang first element isa lang. Okay, let's have okay, so the third relation is the only function. Let's have another one. Sorry. Okay, let's have the first relation. Is it a function or not?
Dili,
Not,
sir.
sir.
Dili, no? Kay C1, ang pares ni 1, duha. Di ba? Na ay 1 ug 9. No? So therefore, it's not a function. How about R2?
Function.
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 Anong function man si R2? Why is it a function? Ito? Kay ang every first element, pila ka book iyang pares?
Isa ra.
Sara, sir.
O, isa ra. No? So, ang every first element, isa ra. So, meaning kung first person, ikaw mo na, di ba? So, ikaw sa imong self, make sure gyud na isa ra imong pares para inyong relasyon
Function.
Tama ba? Bahalag duha mo basta kay isa ra imo. Basta dili duha imo, di ba? Joke lang. Ay, sorry. Wala ni tingog, sorry. Broken ka, sir, no? Murag inana gyud, di bitaw. Anyway, nagita na nawala na nung ko class. Okay. So R2 is a function. So again, no, for those who have just joined, a relation is a function kung ang every first element isa ra kabuk ang iyang pares. Okay? This is the illustration. The first one is one, no? The first one is a function. So as you can see, ang kada pares sa domain, isa ra iyang pares sa y. Do ang y na itagduha, pero si x isa ra. However, in the second one, this is not a function since, let us say, si Mr. Gino, dagan siya pares, no? Amy, Anna, and Jenny. And Mrs. Lopez, dagan po siya pares. So therefore, it is not a function. No? Ang first element, dagan siya pares. So therefore, it's not a function. Okay. I'll just skip this one. No? These are some applications of functions. Yeah. In the taxi, unsa man nang function sa taxi. So every kilometer na ay corresponding bayad, di ba? Kung kuan pod, for every time of seconds na apoy distance and time, so na ay amount of money, equivalent amount of money. Another application of function also, per kilowatt hour, pila imong bayaran na kuryente. No? So we can express that one as a function. No? How much are you going to pay if you are going to consume this certain amount of kilowatt hours? No? So to solve that one, you can express that one as a function. Okay, then you also have for calculators, cell phones. Okay, so those are, I will not discuss them anymore. No, those are the applications, man, of the functions. But before I will proceed with the last part of this lesson, no, any questions about functions? Do you have any questions about functions? Ayog saba man. Ato-ato ra naman, no? Anyway, before we are going to proceed with the last part, do you still have any questions about functions? Pwede siya basta kina-define in GSB. dagan ba in GSB dire? Okay. Agday. Okay ra na kay dire sa college may daghan, no? Kaso kay wala may face to dili also face to face. No? Okay, sige lang. I will have some videos later, no? Agoy senior high. Okay ra senior high basta 18 above.
Child abuse.
Okay, kung below 18 mo child abuse pa na, no? Haggard na daw mga college. Single mom daw. Agoy. Mahilig sa single mom. Single tita, dili mo gusto. Okay, sige. We will proceed with the last part, class na about binary operations. Okay, binary operation is on a non-empty set A is a function from A cross A. So that is a one, no? That is a Cartesian product between A to A into A itself. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? So when you are going to operate, no, two, if you have an elements of two sets, if you are going to have an operation between them, denoted by an asterisk, the answer should be also found in that given set. You know? So let's say for example, nag-operate let us say you have two natural numbers, no? Counting numbers. Nag-perform kag operation sa duwa. Ang answer must be also in the set of natural numbers. So that is binary operation. Let's say addition, no? Addition on natural numbers is a binary operation. Why? A natural number plus a natural number, meaning natural counting numbers, no? A natural counting numbers plus a natural counting number, the answer is also a natural counting number. So that is binary operation. Okay, this this topic is very important sa programming, especially if you are dealing with you are dealing with kaning programs na nag-involve with division and so on, no? Kay, let us say, nag-divide ka, o niya, ang imong gi-recall na function is int. Dabi kay, usahay, di ba, kay, ang, kung mag-division, nabi kay decimal, so dapat float ang imong ibutang command. Instead of int, murag Java naman karon no, murag C++, mugutok na andan. So more likely, so dili ka tagag answer ato, especially if less than 1 ang imong answer, no? Dili ka tagaan og answer sa program. Okay, kung imong gi-define is int, yung answer is somehow like it will give you a fraction answer, so more likely it will not really give you a correct answer, ano? So that is the application of this one sa programming, no? Anyway, so if you input two elements for, then the answer, okay, the output should also be in the given set or within the set lang. Okay, so we could say that A is closed under the binary operation. Okay, okay, so let me have you an example of binary operations, no? Okay, the usual addition and the usual multiplication are binary operations on Z. Okay, those are true. Why? So integer plus integer, the answer will also be what? What do you think? Is it also an integer?
Positive integer.
Well, regardless if it's positive or negative, no? Pero kung mag-plus kag duha ka integer, integer gyapon ang answer. Tama ba? No? So integer, yes, okay. So integer plus integer is also an integer. That is also the same for multiplication, no? So multiplication on Z is a binary operation since integer times integer, the result would also be an integer. Okay? So here are some so if you add 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, so 4 is an integer. Where you have 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are integers, so 2 times 3 equals 6 is also an integer. No? So tanan, this is true for all, no? This is true for all. Pero kung gani isa, at least isa sayop, meaning that is not a binary operation. No? Is the usual subtraction a binary operation in Z? No? Is the usual subtraction a binary operation on Z? Okay. Plus, integer minus integer. Unsay imong result? Integer ba gyapon? Integers are, when you say integers, 0, positive numbers, no? Positive counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dayon, negative of those negative of those counting numbers like -1, -2, and so on. So those are integers, no? Integers minus integers class. Integers ba gyapon?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir.
Integers gyapon, no? So therefore, subtraction is a binary operation on Z. So that is yes. Tama. Okay. Is subtraction a binary operation on N? N is a natural counting number.
Yes.
I say 7 minus 10. Um, Sige, class. 7 minus 10, what is the answer ba?
Negative 3, sir.
Negative 3. Ang negative 3 ba is a counting number?
Yes.
Negative 3. Counting number. Ang counting number is 1.
No, sir.
No,
Kulay lang
sir.
ang negative, no?
No,
Yes, sir.
No,
So
sir.
1.
No. Dili man, ang negative number is not a counting number. Kaya ang counting number, positive ba na siya? Class, excuse me lang, gamay lang kayo. Ay, i-attend sa na ako ng basin emergency ni. Hello, Ma'am MJ. Okay naman, ma'am. Oo. Oo, sige. Okay, okay. Murang 5 siguro to. Ano? Oo. GC, page. Oh, page. Sige, sige, sige. Sige, send na. Oo, sige, sige. Oo. Sige, sige, sige. Oo, sige. Oo. Sige, sige. Sige, thank you. Hello, sorry for the intermission, no? So, kung sa ganito, negative 3. Okay, kuan man to, no? 7 minus 10, it's negative 3. So, is negative 3 a natural number? Yes or no?
Yes.
Negative 3? Natural, ang natural number, no? Okay, 1, 2,
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
no. So, therefore, can we say that subtraction is a binary operation on N?
No.
Okay, it's a no, no? Okay, no siya. Kay a natural number minus a natural number doesn't mean you have a natural number. Uban integer. So therefore, this is not a binary operation. Okay, very good, no? So dili na siya binary operation. For example, if you have 1 minus 5, you have negative 4. negative 4 is not a natural number. So that is the reason. No? So at least na isa mo violate, at least na isa ka element, no, nga imong gipares, di-violate siya sa rule, meaning automatic, dili na siya binary operation. Okay. Okay, let's try to have this example, no? If you have the binary operation on Z defined by x asterisk y is equal to the minimum of x and y, could we say that this is a binary operation? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kung may kag minimum, no, gamay sa duha, di ba? Kung integer si x, o integer si y, kung kinsay gamay sa duha, integer ba gyapon?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. So therefore, that is a binary operation. Tama, no? That is a binary operation. Very good. Okay, let's try this one, no? The first one, could we say that this is a binary operation?
No, sir.
Anong no man? Be? Kung
Operation
integer,
is subtraction.
integer minus integer, ang say result?
Integer.
Integer. Integer times integer,
Integer.
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 integer gyapon. Binary operation si example 3 or dili?
Binary, sir.
Okay, that is a binary operation. Tama yun, ano? It's a binary operation. Kani si kuan. Kani si example 4. Binary operation is siya or dili?
Dili.
Okay.
Binary, sir. Binary.
Kinsay, okay. Katong nang ingon og dili, nganong dili man?
Okay, 1/2.
Sige. Unsa may 1/2? Sige, paghatag ng example nganong dili siya binary operation.
Kaya ano man sir, diba sa binary operation, it should be equal above 1, not below 1. So in this example, 1/2 showed that it's below 1. That's it.
Integer kay kuan man ang integer, no? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 so on. Dayon negative dayon nga numbers, no? negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Unsa kay mga examples nga dili mo qualify ani?
Fraction, sir.
Okay na, fractions, no? I say kung x nimo is 1, dayon imong y is 2. So 1 plus 2, pila answer gani ana? 1 plus 2. 3. 3 times 1/2.
3 sir.
3 times 1/2. Grabe na giniwa, mura grade 1 pa. 3 times 1/2, pila man na siya?
7.5. 1.5.
1.5 or 3 halves. Oh, 1.5 or 3 halves, no? Kanang 1.5 or 3 halves, integer na siya, dili.
Integer, sir.
Dili,
Kaya
sir.
ang integer kay 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on.
Dili counting
Then
number.
negative
Dili,
1,
sir.
negative 1, negative 2.
Dili, sir.
Okay. Fractions, kay fraction man ang answer or decimal fraction. So dili siya integer, no? So walay labot si fraction sa integer. So therefore, example 4, binary operation or dili?
Dili yun, sir.
Dili, sir.
Okay, this is not a binary operation. Okay? So si example 4 is not a binary operation. How about example 5? Karon kay kanina kay integer man.
Binary, sir.
This one, okay, binary, no? Kay tanan numbers iyang i-qualify.
Real number.
Ano? Real numbers. Real numbers, apil na ang fraction, apil na tong mga radicals, and so on. No? So this is a binary operation. Very good. How about example 6? Binary operation or not?
Binary, sir.
Binary, sir.
Okay, binary, no? Kung mag-multiply kag duha ka number, integer. Integer times integer, integer. Dayon, na may plus yan, no? Integer plus integer is also integer. Kung i-minus nimong duha ka result, integer gapon. So therefore, it's a binary operation.